Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Lola Tallulah, and I'm here to do a little haul. I had seen all these videos about people going to get Spectrum Noir on clearance from Hobby Lobby, so I decided I wanted to go, and because y'all know I do love my Spectrum Noirs. However, mine had nothing, and it could be because I was late to the party. I don't know, but they had nothing good on in my Hobby Lobby. So I only got 3 things, and then I also got in my Hero Arts kit of the month, so I wanted to show you those. And then I will also have a video on a flip through of my Jane Davenport book that I got, which is part of the reason why I got these 2 things from Hobby Lobby. So I'll show you. I used a 40% off to get this Photo Play Gypsy Rose paper pack. And I know that probably next week, literally, it will be on sale for 50% off. But they only had 2 of these in my store. So I was just like, you know, okay, so what's $1 more? Not a big deal. It cost me $1 in gas. So I went ahead and used my 40% off. And I got this, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's very boho gypsy. And then here's the stickers on the back. I will say this, the one thing I do like about these, I think sometimes they charge too much for these kits, but I do like these little kits like this because you can use this up a lot faster than a 12 by 12. At least I can, you know, a 12 by 12 full pad, because I don't use 12 by 12s very often. So that was cool. I got that. And I want to make, of course, a junk journal to end. Then I've been looking at some Faber-Castell Pitt pens, and I have a few, maybe like 3. And so they had these light skin tones, right? Where's the medium brown skin tones? But they had these on clearance. They were normally $22, and they were on clearance for $5.49. And if you don't have a Hobby Lobby and you want some of these, Perry Ann's Arts and Things on Etsy. She has well, she did have them in her shop. So you can get them, and I think they're like $6 something, so they're not much more expensive. But I was in the store and I didn't have to wait for shipping. So I went ahead and bought them. Then I also bought these 4 Pitt pins, and these are the Sepia tones. So I bought these, and I thought they would be pretty cool to try. So from $15 down to $4, I can do that. So that's all I got from Hobby Lobby, because like I said, my Hobby Lobby sucks now. Just like our Joann sucks big fat rocks. Okay? Okay. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you is my Hero Arts kit that came in. And I just want to show you the box. Excuse me. Look how cute that is. Creativity in a box. With all little icons and everything. Is that not adorable? I want to save the box, even though I know I don't need any boxes around here. So it came in this blue tissue paper. And you get, it seems like you didn't get a lot for the money, but it's actually, you actually do. When you consider how much everything costs on its own. So you always get this little thank you for your order card. And it has some information about where to get it, which is heroarts.com. And okay, so Hero Arts, they come out with a new monthly kit, and they come out with it on the first Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So whatever day that is, whatever date that is, it's always the first Monday of the month. So some of the kits you have to like be quick and go for and grab them, and others they kind of linger for a couple days. But so this is what this one has as far as the little thank you, and then it says introducing Hero Florals. So I don't know what that's about, but there's the card. There's the card. I suppose you could do something with it. And it was a sea theme kit, so you have these little stickers, little puffy stickers. You got some sand embossing powder, which is pretty cool. Oh my gosh, I was right at Hobby Lobby and I forgot to get embossing ink, you know, an embossing ink pad. You got one of their little sprays, although they could have put a label on it so you knew what it was. And then you got 4 of their inks. And I must say, I do like their little cube inks. They're cute. And I thought the colors were fab, especially this one down here. I don't know if you can see it very well with that. But I don't want these to fall all over, so that's why I'm not taking them out of the package. And then you get your stamp set that comes with the dies. So, I don't know if this is Hero Arts color or if this is just because it was a blue theme, but love the ribbon. You know, we're going to reuse that. So, it's one of those layering stamp sets of water. And I'm going to have to watch a video or something because I never remember which way you're supposed to do it. If it's light in the background and then darker, or if it's darker and then lighter and lighter. I don't know. I guess it just depends on the stamp. It seems like you would go light to dark, but I don't know. So if somebody else knows, let me know. Then they have this little hello, which I thought was cute, like it's drawn in the sand. I thought this little teeny tiny mermaid. I'm trying to get it to show up without the glare. Look at that teeny tiny mermaid in the chair. And I thought this would work perfectly with the Crafter's Companion. I don't know if I showed this or not. I think I did, but who knows. This Crafter's Companion chair die. So I thought this would be real cute to do something like together. So that's so adorable. And then of course you've got the dies to match. You got some clouds. The mermaid, what's the circle? I don't know what the oh, the beach ball. The starfish. That must be the boat. Oh no, that could be the what you call it. There's the ship. I mean, not the ship, the shell. Where's the ship? Maybe they didn't do a die for the ship. Anyway, so that's what came in it. So that is my very small haul from Hobby Lobby, suckage that it is, and my kit from Hero Arts. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you guys later.